Alright, boys and girls, so we just listened to Sneezy the Snowman and saw all those different ways that Sneezy melted when he got too hot. He got in a hot tub and he drank hot soup. He did all sorts of different things that caused him to melt. So we're going to think about if we had a snowman and that snowman was melting, what would make our snowman melt? Alright, so we've got a little sentence starter here on our paper. It says, my snowman melted because. I want you to think of a reason. What do you think would happen that would make your snowman melt? Alright, so I'm going to write one as kind of a model and an example for you, and then I'm going to let you think of your own reason your snowman melted. Okay, so my snowman melted because, I'm going to think first, why do I want my snowman to melt? Could be something that happened to Sneezy. It could be something else that you thought of just on your own. What other reason you think a snowman might melt? So I think I'm going to say, my snowman melted because he ate hot soup. So it's got the first part of the sentence for you. My snowman melted because, I'm just going to write the ending. He ate hot soup. So I'm going to write he, that's one of our sight words, H-E. He, I'm going to put a finger space, ate hot. Let's stretch the word hot out together and write the sounds we hear. That's what you can do if it's a word you're not sure how to spell. So let's stretch out hot nice and slow together. Ought. Ought. I hear three sounds. Let's see if we can figure out what three sounds those are. I hear what letter goes H. Then I hear aw, O, ought, T. He ate hot soup. I hear an S at the beginning of soup. And at the end, soup. I hear a P. Then I'm going to put a period to tell that my sentence is finished. So now it says, my snowman melted because he ate hot soup. I'm going to draw a picture of that. I'm going to draw a table here. And my snowman's going to be standing beside the table, eating his hot soup. I'm going to draw my soup, show that it's hot, some steam. I'm going to put a spoon in his hand. And then I'm going to decorate my snowman up a little bit here. You all can use your crayons on this part to make it nice and colorful. So there's my snowman. I better get him a scarf. He's eating his hot soup, so that's going to make him melt. I'm going to even draw some little drops of water starting to come off of him to show that he's starting to melt, maybe a little puddle in the floor. Alright, so I want you to think of your own reason that your snowman melted. Maybe he stood close to a fire, or tried to use a hairdryer to blow his hair, or made s'mores, or got inside where it was too hot. So you think about what would happen that would make your snowman melt. And you finish your sentence and draw and color your picture, your illustration. And be sure and send me a picture of it because I'd love to see what happened to make your snowman melt like